Thank you for your interest in the SemEval 2022 Task 2 Multilingual Idiomaticity Detection and Sentence Embedding. In this screencast, I will talk you through the details of Subtask A along with the data format of the data associated with that subtask. Subtask A is the binary classification task which requires models to classify sentences that contain potentially idiomatic idiomatic expressions into either idiomatic or literal. So let's take a look at these examples, both of which contain the expression glass ceiling. Notice that in the first instance, glass ceiling is used in the idiomatic sense. And in the second instance, glass ceiling is used in the non-idiomatic or literal sense. Notice also that the label 0 is used to represent idiomatic and the label 1 is used to represent non-idiomatic. Non-idiomatic includes cases such as proper noun, and so if this sentence used glass ceiling as a proper noun, then that example would also be labeled 1. As in this example, we provide the previous and next sentences as well as the target sentence that contains the multi-word expression in both the training and the evaluation sets. Of course, in the evaluation sets, you will not have this label. That's what needs to be predicted. This subtask is available in two settings. One is the zero-shot setting and the other is the one-shot setting. In the zero-shot setting, you do not have access to training data associated with multi-word expressions that appear in the evaluation sets. Whereas in the one-shot setting, we provide exactly one positive and one negative training example for each of the multi-word expressions or potentially idiomatic expressions from the evaluation and development sets. You can participate in this task by going to the CodaLab competition. There's details on what is required in terms of your submission format here. We strongly suggest that you step through the CoLab notebooks that we provide so you get an idea as to what is required by this task and what the submission format should look like. Please note that you must not use the one-shot data when training models for your zero-shot setting. You can use your zero-shot data when training models for the one-shot setting in addition to the one-shot training data. Notice that we provide 3 data splits during this practice phase of the competition. The first is the train split, the second is the development split, and the third is the evaluation split. You must submit your results associated with the evaluation split to the CodaLab competition. Please remember that you will be provided with yet another split, the test split, in January, which is what we will use to evaluate, and that will be used in the evaluation phase of SemEval. Thank you again, and best of luck.